In the diagram, line MP is the tangent to the circle NQR. Angle PNQ is equals to 64 degrees and line RQ is equals to line RN. Find the angle marked T. Find this angle. Now, this is given. If I knew this angle, do you know it would be very easy to just add this angle plus this angle plus this angle and get 180 degrees sum of angles on a straight line. Now, I'm not given this angle. Therefore means I'm required to find this angle. If I know this angle, my question is solved. So how can I know this angle? Now let's look at some information given in the question. Now this is equal to this by this equal mark. Two stripes. It means this line, these two sides are equal. That makes this an isosceles triangle. And by this being equal, these two angles are also equal. So it therefore means these and these are equal. If I knew this angle, I'll just say this angle plus twice this to get either of these, right? Now let's look at another fact given. Line MP is a tangent. What is that? Now the angle between a chord. See this is a chord, right? Or if you like, this is also another chord. The angle this chord makes here is always equals to the angle the chord makes with the tangent. So this is 64. That is a circle theorem you must know to solve this question. So what I mean there is that the angle this chord makes with the tangent will always be equal to the angle it makes on the alternate segments. You know that angle there, you know the chord divides the circle into two segments. So now I know this. So I can call this x. This has to be x2 because it's an isosceles triangle. So I can say 64 plus x is equals to 180 degrees. Why is it so? Sum of angles in a triangle. You need to write it if it's theory where working is needed. Okay, so this is 64 plus 2x, that's x plus x, 180 degrees. Now 2x is equals to 180 degrees. This guy has to come over here, right, and become minus. And what's the answer to this? This is 116 degrees. So 2x is 116. X will be what? 116 divided by 2. These two must come down. 2 goes into 11 is what? It's 5. Remember 1 into 16 is what? Is 8. So it's 58 degrees. This is 58 degrees. Now what I said earlier, I can now add these three. T plus x plus 64 degrees is 180, sum of angles on a straight line. So we know our x to be 58, so we have 58 plus 64 is equals to 180 degrees. Now this plus this is what? 12 carry 1, 11 plus that one, 12, right? It's equals to 180 degrees. Now T is what? 180 degrees minus 122 degrees. And what answer is that? 58 degrees. What option is that? That is option C. That is our T. Thanks for watching. Please, if you like our video, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to our page. Till I see you in our next video. Bye bye.